Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Hostinger Horizon's web application with Supabase. So the first thing that you have to do, of course, is create the project. So inside Hostinger Horizons, and after you do so, as you can see, I made a simple calculator application over here. So you then have to go to the very top right of your screen where it says Supabase. So just click on that, and from here, you will have to add organization. So you simply want to click on here, and then this will direct you to a new screen over here. So now you'll be presented with a few different options to connect to your Supabase account. So over here, and if you do not have a Supabound or Supabase account already created, you will need to create one right now. So what you have to do is just click on continue with either GitHub, or you can also continue with SSO, or you can just sign in with your email and password. So over here, I'm just going to continue with GitHub. And after you click on this, as you can see, it's going to start loading and redirecting there. So we go, and from here, you want to click on authorize Supabase. So after you do this, it says you're being redirected to authorized applications. It's going to take a bit of time for this to connect, and then after this, this stops loading, and there we go. You will be connected to authorize the API access for Hostinger Horizon. So you simply want to scroll down to the bottom. So over here, you want to click on create an organization, and in here you will see that you now have a new organization. So in here you will see you will simply have to, of course, name it. So if you're using this inside your GitHub, you will have to name your organization. You have to select the type of organization and then the pricing plan. So after you've done all this, you want to click on create organization, and then in just a few seconds, once this loads up, and of course renders in all you'll see it will basically create your organization there. So we go, it's now done. So you can then scroll down to the very bottom, and then over here you will have to select the organization that you want to grant API access. So this is this is the one that we've just created, so you can read all this. So if you want to go ahead and read them. Then you want to click on authorize Hostinger Horizon. So click on that. And then again, it's going to start loading. And there we go over here on the right. As you can see, it says Supabase organization authorized successfully. And then if you now click over here, you will be able to connect to a project, which is the last thing that you have to do. So just simply over here, if you click on the Supabase again, it says connect the project. So you want to click on the organization's name, and then you want to click on create the project. So if you don't have a project yet, you will simply have to either refresh for your current project to show up, or click on create new project. So if you don't have one, just click on create new project. And after you've done this, over here, there we go. You'll basically have to give it a name. So over here, I'm just going to give it a name like tutorial. Then we go to database password. Of course, you're gonna have to set it a password. So you just have to choose your own. And then over here, just type in random password and make sure to remember them. And here we go, and then we want to select the region. So I would recommend you select the region that is closest to you. And then you want to click on create new project. And after you do this, there we go. I'm going to do is just, you will be able to see that once you're in here, basically everything will get connected. So you can just start working on whatever you wanted to start working on, and you will see that everything will get connected. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!